I customize my Samsung phone a lot. I've tried hundreds of icon packs over the years, and honestly, most of them either don't match the One UI or just don't feel polished enough. But every once in a while you come across that one that's so designed well that immediately you know this one is going to stay on your phone for long. Just take a look at this. This is easily one of the best looking icon packs I've ever used on my Samsung phone, and the best part is it only takes a couple of seconds to set it up, and let me show you exactly how to get it. So welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech, and in today's video I will show you how to completely transform your Samsung phone using one of the best icon packs I have ever come across. We will install the icon pack, apply it using Good Luck, and then I'll show you how to generate a matching fluffy wallpaper using AI, specifically ChatGPT, so the entire setup looks perfectly coordinated. Before we jump into this, please don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So the first thing we're doing is downloading that icon pack. This is what you're gonna do. Just go here into the Play Store like that, and then search for Fluffy. So you're going to look for Fluffy, but I will type One UI. Okay, so Fluffy One UI, not this, but this very one. That's Fluffy One UI style, this one. Now, when I got charged about $1. So just take note of that. So once you're done, you can tap on open, and it's going to greet you with this space, and you can see already how those icons look like. So once you're here, the next thing to note is we're going to need Good Luck to be able to apply this. And Good Luck is actually a Samsung application that allows customization at different levels. You're able to customize your notification bar, your home screen, your navigation button, your S Pen, and almost every part of your Samsung phone. It's specifically for Samsung phones, and if this is the first time you're hearing this, you want to check the top right corner here. I have a dedicated playlist where I've shown everything, spoken about all the models that are inside the Good Luck. If you want good knowledge about that, check that card out. Okay, so once we're done from here, we have to apply this theme, and to apply it, you can see that there is apply fluffy icon. You can tap on it, and in this case, you're not using any of these launchers. If you are using any of these, you could select the one that you're using, and there are tons of them. All right, so if you tap on One UI, it's going to then take you into the theme pack, which is a Good Luck model. If you want to know everything about the theme pack, also check the top right corner here, theme pack. And theme pack is actually inside the Good Luck and then theme pack. So you're here. Once you're in here, you're going to go into icons, and then you're going to create a new icon. Okay. In here, no need to change anything. You're just going to come here into icon and tap on icon pack. And here you select the application. This is the application, Fluffy Icon. We're going to select the Fluffy Icon. And once it's been applied, we can see exactly how it looks like. Okay, then you're going to tap on this space to save it, and we can save it like Fluffy. All right, and hit on OK. All right, once this is done, now we're going to have to apply this. But before we apply it, let's look at how the home screen looks like. Look at the Aramex application, the Viva one, even the messages. All right, and then now we're going to come in here, tap on this, and apply it. It's going to take us a couple of seconds. Once it's done, we're just going to leave the space, and you see exactly what has happened here. Complete transformation of the icons, given some kind of a depression of what the icon stands for, and then around it, any empty space becomes fluffy. And you can see that even with the small folders. You can see with the clock, the whole blue part is fluffy, and the internal part is the solid part. So it looks like some kind of stitching that has been done, and for me this looks amazing. To make this more complete, we're going to pair it with a fluffy background or wallpaper. And if you look at my wallpaper, it looks very simple. So we're going to use a prompt, which I'm going to drop in the comment section. You can use it in ChatGPT to generate exactly what I'm about to generate for any wallpaper that you have, even if it's a picture of yourself. All right. By the way, this is an example of what I created using the same prompt. So as you can see, it can transform anything into a fluffy fabric-like image. All right, so there you have it. Let's look at the prompt. So in a completely different chat, you can bring in the image or wallpaper you want to use. So in my case, I'm using the same wallpaper that you saw, and then I'm going to put the prompt. Now, the prompt is very detailed. It looks at grooves and everything going to be acting like stitched down fabric and everything. So you're just going to find it under there, copy it, use it for your own wallpaper, and thank me later. Once we're done with this, we can just generate it. All right, and there we have it. When you select it, you're going to see now it has this fluffy nature to it, and then we can download it. It almost feels like you can run your hands over it. Once we're done with this, from this look, we can apply this as the wallpaper. And now we've got this. So we have all our icons looking exactly like this, and the background also looking like this. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've completely transformed the look of your Samsung phone with one of the nicest icon packs I've personally used. And by pairing it with a matching fluffy wallpaper, the entire setup feels custom made. I would genuinely love to know what you think about this, so let me know down in the comment section whether you actually use this setup or if you have another favorite icon pack that I should check out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.